Hey guys, it's a BYD Atto 3 extended range for 168,000 ringgit. Is it the best EV on sale in Malaysia today? You know what? It looks good, the BYD Atto 3, but really the interior is the real story. I mean, just look at what we have inside here, okay? All these colors and materials, everything's very finely put together actually. Sports seats, all the colors, this huge rotating touchscreen, 12.8 inches. You get a sunroof, panoramic, all is nice, all is well, all is BYD. Well done. All right, in the rear seats, these seats are very comfortable. In fact, I love the whole motif over here. A lot of headroom, a lot of leg room, flat floor, plenty of space to just relax, and yeah. And in the boot, 440 litre split level. And underneath all that stuff, you get a 60 kilowatt-hour battery in the extended range version, which can take you around 450 kilometers on a single charge. 201 PS, 310 Newton meters of torque, 7.3 seconds to 100.